Hi everybody, this is Miguel Vazquez again, bringing you another video on reverse mortgages. And specifically what we're gonna talk about today is the fees associated with the reverse mortgage or the cost associated with the reverse mortgages. So you can get an idea of how much they are, how much it costs you to get a reverse mortgage. And I'll break down all the specifics. Okay, so the reverse mortgage cost that we're going to be speaking about is the FHA reverse mortgage loan. Okay, the FHA reverse mortgage loan. There's two types of loans. There's an FHA reverse mortgage loan, and then there's a second one that's a non-FHA reverse mortgage loan. Okay, so non-FHA reverse mortgage loan. So one's an FHA reverse mortgage loan. The other one's also a reverse mortgage, but it's not FHA. And the first one, the non-FHA one also goes by other names. It goes by jumbo reverse mortgage, proprietary reverse mortgage. And okay, so those are the two different ones, FHA reverse mortgage and then the non-FHA reverse mortgage. So the first one, the FHA reverse mortgage loan, a ballpark figure that you're gonna have in terms of cost can be somewhere between maybe $22,000, okay? So the FHA reverse mortgage loan in its totality can cost the borrower $22,000, give or take $1,000 or $2,000. Okay, now I'm going to break down that so you can understand what that consists of. Okay, so $22,000. So this is for the FHA reverse mortgage. Okay, so the first inside the $22,000 cost for the FHA reverse mortgage, about $2,500 of that, or approximately $3,000, so anywhere between $2,500 to $3,000 is going to be what's called escrow fee, appraisal fee, notary fee, title fee, counseling fee. If you add up all those little costs together, the ones I just mentioned, maybe a recording fee, recording all the documents at the county recorder's office, and all those little fees again, they're gonna add up probably somewhere between $2,500 to $3,000. Okay, don't quote me; it's not an exact, but it's a good number. Okay, somewhere between $2,500 to $3,000. The other fee inside the $22,000, it's the origination fee. And that's what I would charge. That's what another reverse mortgage loan officer would charge, is what's called the origination fee. And that can be as much as $6,000. Okay, so again, inside the $22,000 total cost, there could be an origination charge of about $6,000. It can't be more than $6,000 origination fee for the FHA reverse mortgage. Okay, now the $6,000 that I'm talking to you about, origination fee, can be negotiated. It's not set in stone. If I want to charge you $500, I can charge you $500 origination fee. If I want to charge you $2,500, if I want to charge you $5,000, I can charge you zero origination fee. Okay, but the maximum that reverse mortgage, FHA reverse mortgage loan originator can charge is $6,000. Okay. So that's two. Now we've gone over two parts of the cost. So it's $2,500 to $3,000 for all the miscellaneous fees, recording, title, escrow, appraisal counseling fee. And then so that's $2,500 to $3,000. And then you have $6,000 max that loan origination can charge. And so if you add $6,000 for the origination that I would charge or anybody else would charge, again, it's negotiable, but assuming that I charge the maximum of $6,000 plus the $2,500 for all those other costs, now you're talking about like 8,500. 8,500. You're talking about probably $9,000, okay? $8,500 to $9,000, those two costs associated. So now that's approximately $9,000 of the $22,000 associated with the FHA closing cost fees. Well, what is the other remaining, what, $12,000, $13,000 is the following. The remaining $13,000 is a cost that's going to be associated with the FHA mortgage insurance. Okay, once again, the FHA mortgage insurance. And how is that calculated? That's calculated on the value of your house, 2% of the value of your house. So the maximum loan amount for an FHA is probably close to like $700,000. So if 700,000 times 2%, assuming that you were going to get you were going to be able to get a loan for that much. The value of the house was 700,000, and say times 2%, that's 14,000. Okay, so say 14,000 for the FHA mortgage insurance. FHA mortgage insurance. So if you add up the 2% of the value, which is the 14,000, you add up the 6,000, that's already 20, and then you add all the miscellaneous fees, recording, notary, and all that, that brings you up to like $22,000. Okay, that's for FHA reverse mortgages. Now, I'm assuming that we would be getting the loan or that your house is worth $700,000. But if your house is worth, say it's worth $400,000, then it would be 2% of that value. So 400,000 times 2% would be $8,000. So it'd be $8,000 for the FHA mortgage insurance, and then the origination fee, $6,000, assuming that we'd be charging $6,000, and then the miscellaneous $2,500, you would get $16,000 would be your total closing cost. Now, what is the FHA mortgage insurance cover? That covers any loss that the bank might occur, that the lender might incur. For example, let's assume that you got a reverse mortgage and then you lived 30 years, didn't make any payments, and then your balance for the reverse mortgage was $600,000. That's how much you owed on the reverse mortgage. Okay, $600,000 balance. You pass away, you die, you leave your house to your heirs, family members, friends, I don't know, anybody. And let's also assume that there was a recession. And during that recession, the values all dropped, including yours. Your value dropped to $300,000, let's assume, okay? Your home value dropped to $300,000, but you owe $700 on the reverse mortgage balance, okay? So your heirs, your children would get the house, put it up on the market, sell it for fair market value, which would be $300,000. They would get $300,000. They pay that to a reverse mortgage, but they're still missing $400,000. So your heirs, your family members, whoever you leave the house to, doesn't have to pay that that difference, doesn't have to pay that cost. That's where the FHA mortgage insurance comes in and covers the difference and covers that loss and pays that loss or that money to the reverse mortgage so that the lender could get paid completely and your relatives don't have to pay anything for that because you paid for the mortgage insurance up front and you paid a lot for it, okay? Anyhow, I hope that clears that up. I'm gonna go over the reverse mortgage. You know what, we'll go over it right now. The non-FHA closing costs are much less, okay? There you're still gonna have the miscellaneous costs like say appraisal, notary fee, title, and all those fees together. Again, that's gonna be also for the non-FHA, for the jumbo loan, for the proprietary reverse mortgage. You're gonna still have those costs, which is gonna be like $2,500 to $3,000. There isn't FHA mortgage insurance associated with this because it's not an FHA backed insured loan, okay? And then the other costs associated with the non-FHA reverse mortgage, the jumbo loan, is the origination fee. And again, that one could vary, but assuming it's also $6,000, so now we have the $6,000 origination fee plus miscellaneous costs. Maybe you're talking about $8,000, $9,000 for the non-FHA jumbo proprietary reverse mortgage loan. So the fees for FHA and the non-FHA one, probably like half. Okay. Now, if you can negotiate the origination fee with me or any other loan officers, then those costs would significantly be reduced. Anyhow, I hope that clears that up a little bit regarding the fees, the costs associated with the reverse mortgage. If you have any questions, please feel free to call me. My name is Miguel Vazquez. I'm a reverse mortgage specialist. I've been doing reverse mortgages for over 15 years. So you can call me if you want any information or if you have any questions, 562-881-9811. Once again, 562-881-9811. You can also text me. I work on the weekends, holidays, evenings. Also for my reverse mortgage clients, if you would like an in-home visit, so I can take you the proposal or give you a presentation, give your family members a presentation, answer any questions that they have with no commitment, of course, please give me a call, let me know, and I'd gladly be able to give you a visit. Anyhow, you can also email me and I'll go ahead and leave my information down on the links below. But that's about it. Have a good day and thank you.